Hey everybody, welcome back. So this is actually day 3 for me, but I'm making videos based on the day before. That way I can give a full synopsis of how the day prior was for me. So day 2 went wonderfully. Did have a couple moments where I thought about food and almost reached for food, but I said, oh no, I'm on the fast. So had to get over some desires and definitely had to put my self-discipline to work. So that's something I'm building up by doing this fast. So definitely had to kick those things into gear yesterday. A good thing that got me into the fast and prepared was doing intermittent fasting. So definitely look up some cool videos on intermittent fasting. So intermittent fasting is blocks of time in your day where you're not eating. So you only have like anywhere from 4 to 8 hours of time that you eat, and then anywhere from 16 to 20 hours you're fasting. So I kind of been doing that for the last month. So it was really easy to get into the fast, and already I've been working on my self-discipline. I just wanted to take it to the next level. And that's what we always got to do. When we're reaching those plateaus, we need to move on, go to our next level, challenge ourselves, do the next thing. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a fast, but intermittent fasting is definitely not something bad to take on your daily life. So definitely looking at that. It helps with your metabolism. It helps with your self-discipline over food. Definitely helps with weight loss. So anybody looking for those things, look into the intermittent fasting, and maybe coming soon I can make a whole video on intermittent fasting. But right now, I'm also going to show you the Himalayan sea salt. And I also decided to save the before and after pictures for the end. So I don't want to give you the before pictures and then there's no after. So I definitely just want to wait. And I've already been taking a couple pictures now. So I'll have 1 through 10. If I end up stopping at the 10th day, I'll have all those pictures progressively showing you what happened each day. And I'll have the weight recorded for each picture as well. So that'll give a little bit more insight and show you real results at the very end. So stay tuned for that. I am going to be still working out. I still want to use my muscles. Now, the thing about this, just a quick side note, when you are on a fast, your protein levels and also your sugar levels will drop tremendously. So using your muscles, you definitely want to be careful. They're more prone to get hurt because you're not fueling your muscles with protein. And our muscles need protein to function. So I'm definitely going to be letting y'all know how that works out and if I end up giving in to just not working out during this time. But I feel good so far, so I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. And definitely about to go jump into a workout now. If y'all want to see some workout videos, definitely let me know. I would not mind doing that for y'all. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow on the end of day 3.